Hey guys, Adam Fenig here with Fenig Equipment. You're looking at a Kongskilde 25-foot field cultivator. This is a two-piece S-tine. I personally traded this unit in. It's a local trade. A dairy farmer south of us here owned it. The shovels are probably 80%, I would say. There's a lot of life there. Again, this is a 25-foot model, and it is a 2016 according to the serial number. So it's got walking tandems on the main frame, and then back here it's got a 3-bar drag harrow with a single rolling basket. This unit is also equipped with a rear hitch that has got hydraulics going to it. So if you're wanting to pull a rolling basket or something with it, you can certainly do that. So this one is located again here at the Coldwater location. Delivery is available. We've got a detached trailer. We could deliver it to you if you're fairly far away for a mileage charge. So it's available here at Coldwater, Ohio. Would make a great tool here for this spring, and I doubt it's going to make it here too much longer. So if you're looking for a tool like this, give us a call before it leaves.